Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to set the height to the Summernote editor. So we have different types of heights. We can set a specific height or we can leave it as default. Uh, we can set the height to expand. So first of all, let's see the default height for the Summernote is like this size. Let's refresh it. So this is the default height. So let's press the enter button. So it's expanding when we press enter. So suppose we write something like hello Summernote. So we just copy it and paste it several times. Enter, enter, enter. So let's just edit horizontals. So just copy and paste again. So it's expanding, and let's set some height that will not expand. We go to our Summernote function and our HTML file. So we find the Summernote function which in our inside our body tag. We add a curly brace and we set a height. Height is equal to 300 pixels. Save it and we just refresh. So it's set to 300 pixel. Suppose we have copied the text and we paste it. So the height is not changing because we have set it to 300 pixel. It's just when it's overflow, so it will just scroll. So we have a scroll bar here. We can scroll down and scroll up, but I want it to be 300 pixels but expand on enter on overflow. Like when I say overflow, it's like when I press enter, so it's overflowing here. Like here we can see the enter button, we press and it's scrolling down. The scroll bar is expanding, not the editor. So let's change it to minimum height. So min height we set to 300. Here when we set the minimum height to 300, so the minimum height, like it will be 300, this size or any height, but it will expand, the page will expand, the editor will expand on overflow or on when the content is more than the page space or area. Let's paste it again. We have copied the text from the first. Check it. Sorry, we didn't refresh it. Okay, we copied the text before, so when we paste, so it is expanding, the editor is expanding itself. So we can also set the maximum height. In maximum height, the height will not expand after it's reached the maximum value of it. So let's set the maximum height. So we will set the maximum height, max height, we will set the maximum height to 400 pixels. We will save it and refresh our page. So we don't have any minimum height, so it's the default height, or maybe the starting height we can say. We just add our text. To save time, we will also paste it. So when it reached 400 pixel, the scroll bar is expanding. Before 400 pixel, the editor's page is expanding. So if we remove it, it will just refresh it and it will just go to the starting value of the height. So after that we will add or enter. When we press enter, so it's going to expand until it's 400 pixel. The height is 400 pixel. So after 400 pixel, the scroll bar is expanding. So to have a better look, let's check to have the minimum height. So we will have the starting height for the editor and the maximum height for the editor. So we go there and we will add minimum height. We'll add minimum height to 400 pixel and the maximum height to 800 pixel or 900 pixel. We will save it and refresh it. So the minimum height is 400 pixel, and let's add the text. We'll just easily again paste it. So it's expanding, again expanding, and scrolling down after 900 pixel. So when the page is reached, the page height is reached to 900 pixel, so it will just scroll down. So that's it, guys. Next we will learn how to customize this toolbar and how to add or remove some custom buttons, and how to have different items on the toolbar based on our own needs. So thank you, guys. See you on the next video.